How to change Messenger profile picture without changing Facebook profile. Now, because Facebook Messenger is deeply integrated with your main Facebook account, it uses the exact same profile picture. You cannot unlink the photos natively without unlinking your entire account. However, you can change your Facebook photo without notifying your friends or feed, or set up a separate standalone Messenger account. Now, to update both your Facebook and Messenger picture without alerting your contacts or posting to your new feed, simply open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the menu icon. Then simply tap on your profile. Then simply tap on your profile picture, and under the option you will have several options. Tap on choose profile picture. Now select the image that you want to add it as your profile picture. Now after you choose your new photo, you can adjust the crop and select that you like and simply tap on done. Now just before saving it, what you need to make sure is you turn off your share your update to feed icon. Simply turn it off and you can tap on save icon. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.